What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your favorite girl, Sarah, and we are back with another vlog. Today is a special vlog, guys. My Pepe is starting kindy. I know, where did time fly? Tanu and I went to the gym early this morning, had a quick sesh, then we quickly came back home to get Tua ready and prep his lunch. I wanted to show you what I'm gonna be putting in his lunchbox. Got this divider lunchbox. Shout out to Fee, she told me to get this to make it way easier for Tua to access his lunch and for it to be more neater. I'm going to be putting in Tua's favorite yogurt. The funny thing is, today is Tua's orientation day, so it's not, he's not there for the full day. He's meant to be doing 8:45 till 4:15, but we're only doing today 2 hours for his orientation day, and I'm just so excited. The first thing we're gonna be putting in his favorite yogurt, which is the Milo one. Yeah, I know, this kid has the baddest sweet tooth. And then jumpies. If you know, you know, and if you don't know, go to Aldi's and grab you a pack of these. I think they were like $4.99 or maybe even cheaper, $3.99, one of those. I was gonna give him some of these Oreos that his nana gave him. Maybe that's a bit too much. Oh yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah. So I also got him, Fee told me not to do this, and I bet you she's gonna watch this and be like, girl, I told you, no lollies. I can't help it. He's my one and only Pepe. I wanna put this, I wanna sneak this in his lunchbox. And this is what our lunchbox looks like so far. Okay, now for the top. Got him some strawberries. Oh, I just finished washing them. But we got some strawberries. It's Tua's favorite fruit. Strawberries and a banana. Put them into 4. And then I got this. This came in our lunchbox. And I'm going to put his fruits in this. The funny thing is, I don't even know if he's going to eat this at school. Because they're going... He's only going for 2 hours, but you know what? You can never over prep. And that's what it looks like, his strawberry banana. Pepe, you excited? So Daddy is getting Tua ready right now. Tadu took the day off just so he wouldn't miss Tua's first day of kindy. I don't know, I don't think that today is his first day. Today is basically his orientation day, but it's basically like his first day, right guys? What our lunchbox is looking like. We've got his dry snacks here, his lolly that Fee's gonna tell me off about, and his strawberries, his fruits. And then I'm gonna finish it off with a Nutella sandwich. He wanted a peanut one, but what if they tell us that we gotta take it out because a kid has a peanut allergy? I don't know. We got the Nutella going in with his Nutella. We're just gonna put it in the middle because if you know, you know, we don't like the crust. Just like that. Do the other side. When I was a kid, I didn't go kindy. Only one of my siblings went to kindy when we were younger. That was my sister Julie. She went to kindy because she begged my parents, she wanted to go to school. So my parents put her in this kindy that was next to our house. This was when we were living in Queensland. But I never got to experience the kindy life. That's why I'm just so excited for my son. I'm so excited for him because he's excited. This kid has been dying to go to school. My son is so social. He loves being with kids. Let's cut it. Guys, it doesn't need to be pretty. He's not gonna even look at that. And we're gonna go in as a triangle. You can never have too much, but we're gonna go with that. Underneath, up top, his fruits and his lolly. Yeah, calm down. And so yeah guys, we got this from Kmart. Shout out to Kmart. We got this from Kmart. Tua picked it out himself. Everyone knows this kid loves dinosaur. And then lunchbox is also from Kmart. It also came with the side of his water bottle. And yeah guys, our lunchbox is finished. Now let's finish getting Tua ready. You're going to school? What's your name? Wow, how old are you, Tua? You're 3. We're gonna be putting up to his hair because he's got such long and beautiful hair, my baby. Don't want Tua catching any
Bugs.
He knows, you know, I've been teaching him. I was like, Tua, when you go to school and someone comes to you and they're like, hi, be my friend, what do you gotta do?
No, I'm gonna get bugs in you.
Yeah, bugs in his hair. We all know that it's gonna be inevitable. They're gonna catch bugs, but I'm gonna try my hardest for him not to catch it.
Get the turn. Dum, 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 dum. Gotta catch him.
Look at mommy. Why are you so handsome?
You're so cute.
Oh, you're so cute. You're the cutest baby I've ever seen, my love. Turn around. We just put a bun in. We don't want to be late to orientation day, so we're going to leave now. We don't have enough time. We don't have enough time for a break. Okay, let's go. Okay, fam, we are currently in the car. We're headed over to a school. How are you feeling?
Good for now.
Good for now. Oh, you ready? Show me your outfit. Oh, I like your fit. Show me your backpack. Wow. Oh.
Jump up. In the Michael.
Yeah. Okay, we're quickly going to check him in, do some paperwork, and then we'll be back. Guys, didn't even turn, didn't even blink. He just said, "Hi, mommy, bye, daddy," and I was like, rude.
Even the teacher was like, oh, wow, so easy.
Like I said, he's only here for 2 hours, so Taru and I are going to quickly go and get something to eat. We haven't had breakfast yet. We'll be back to pick up Tua. Now I'm feeling a bit... To be honest, I feel like this guy's going to cry.
Off camera.
We came to this cafe. I've actually been here for our farewell with Ami and Saini, and I like their food. Like I was trying to say, they're transitioning Tua in really slowly this week. So he'll be going in for 2 hours today. Friday, his next day, he'll be going in for 4 days. And then next week, he'll be in for the full days. Yeah, guys, I think maybe next week it might kick in, or maybe Friday. But I feel good because, like, Tua literally so excited, but he ran into that classroom so excited with his backpack, put it down. The reason why we didn't record is I think everyone knows privacy reasons of the kids, the other kids that are in the room, and we're not allowed our phones further than the doors.
All right, we're on a fam call.
Can we vlog? We're vlogging. Okay, yeah.
Fam call.
Okay, fam, we're on the chat and we're going to be doing Soraya and Ina's gender reveal.
Oh, Nana.
Hi, Nana.
Boy.
It's a boy. It's a boy! Congrats, Ina and Soraya. And Sophia, she's gonna be a big sister. Food. We got the prawn linguine. Oh, poached eggs. Prawn. The prawn's in there. Let's get some of this. Let's get some.
Prawn looks fresh. Yeah?
Your turn.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Oh. Was it yoki? Okay guys, we're gonna just quickly eat our food. Tour's actually finishing soon. Maybe like 40 minutes. That is good. Thank you.
Let's get some salt on there.
Good.
Yum.
Okay, we'll be back.
But EJ, the teacher, she said she's gonna hold it for you till Friday.
Friday.
So when you come on Friday, your teacher EJ is gonna give it to you.
But do you know what? Daddy and Mommy have a surprise for baby. Do you want a surprise? Okay, let's go to car.
Alright.
Put your bag on. Put your bag on.
Yeah, look at you.
Bye everyone. See you on Friday.
Oh, I took his jacket in.
Yeah. Okay, Pepe. How was it? Did you have so much fun?
Yeah.
Tell me everything. Did you make heaps of friends?
You can make heaps of girls.
Oh, heaps of girls? Why are you looking at girls at this age? What's your teacher's name?
No.
You don't remember?
What's your friend's name?
So many of them.
Too many of them. Like school? What do you rate it?
10 to 10 to 10. Mommy,
Yeah.
I'm good. Daddy,
We missed you.
Yeah, we did.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I mean my prize.
You got a surprise.
Okay, hold on.